Hi, I'm Carolyn Orchid, Springwood Inn. So excited. We're getting ready for Thanksgiving. You know why I'm so excited especially? I have my grandchildren here. They're going to be helping me today. I've already done our mantle. I used Nandina berries, which are like this, kind of tiny little berries. And I used some holly, which is thicker, and the leaves are very pointed. We have all of that in our yard, and I feel thankful, plus the magnolia. So that's where we are with that. And our oldest granddaughter, Alexandra, who we call Zan, is actually in California. So we're definitely missing her. But as I said, I'm more than excited today that my two youngest grandchildren are here, and they're excited also. So I want to introduce you. So this is Winnie.
Hi.
And Winnie, tell them how old you are.
I am 10 years old.
In the 4th grade, I think.
Yes.
Yeah, isn't she a doll? And
Ozzy, and I am 7.5.
oh yes, almost 8. We call him 8 because he's almost 8. So handsome. And so anyway, what they're going to be doing today is helping me decorate our Thanksgiving table. We have 2 days left and we're already getting ready and we're very excited about it. And we have lots of different things that we're doing on the table. When you look at it, you'll probably think, oh, it's already done. But guess what? It isn't, because Winnie and Ozzy are going to be adding some special touches. One of them I wanted to show you. You know, at Christmas time, they have the Christmas crackers, but Thanksgiving, I was able to find these Thanksgiving crackers. And if you don't know what they are, Winnie and Ozzy are going to demonstrate how to do that.
So you hold, two people hold the ends, and you just pull like a tug of war
Woo!
until it pops open.
You have to talk this way, doll.
Until it pops open, and then inside is a joke and a crowd and like a game. So
This is the crown.
the crown.
Whoop. Oh, Ozzy, you look adorable with that.
And this is the joke.
And this is the joke. Did you want to read the joke?
Yeah. What does an English turkey say to another English turkey on Thanksgiving morning? I don't know.
Wow.
To be or not to be roasted? That is the question.
To be or not to be roasted, that is the question. I love that. I love that. And Annie will like that. So anyway, they're going to be putting one of the Thanksgiving crackers at each table, as well as several different things. And I'm actually going to show you for just a minute that we have napkins at each table. And I like to kind of, because our whole theme is going to be feathers, because we have a special friend that we put at our table. Hold that one for me, Oz. And you'll see in a minute, but I put the beautiful feather inside the napkin. Then I just simply take some colorful ribbon, the gold, because it picks up the colors in the turkey, like that. And then kind of put it out, and then I take this one, has those same wonderful feather colors, and tie it around. So we have 2 different ones. Adds a special touch. And this one I like because it has kind of wire in it. And spread it out, and this one will go right there. And Winnie, would you show our special friend? We have a special friend, and we put this special friend at our Thanksgiving table every single year. Every single year. Yes, there he is. Beautiful. He's our pheasant, and he graces our table right in the middle. Show you how. There you are, you're looking at us. Beautiful, beautiful. And now, Winnie and Ozzy are going to do some table decorations for all of us to see.
These are some beautiful sparkly turkeys that we're going to put on either side of the table.
Oh, that looks great there. I love that. Good job, Oz. Great.
And then we're going to do the salt and pepper. So each side of the table will get their salt and pepper. Mine are turkeys. Mine are pumpkins. And if you just put them at the corner of the table.
Yes, everyone needs a little bit of salt and pepper, don't they? So pumpkins at one end and the turkeys at one end. And let's see what else we have.
We have these candles.
Oh.
We have these pumpkin see-through orange candles that you're just gonna put
As you can see, we just want to make this table as festive as we can. And so a little here and a little there. And by the way, did you see how beautiful these little flowers are in these vases? I just took a little tiny orange rose and this wax plant, which is right there on my sideboard, and they give the table color. That's what I really love the most. Okay.
And then we have these little pumpkin candles, other pumpkin candles. We put them on a little plate. Oh. Thank you.
Are these not the best helpers? I don't know. I don't know how I lucked out, but I have three fabulous grandchildren. I think it's because I have two fabulous children, Lance and Lissa. And any place is okay. It's fine with it. Yeah, that's great, Oz.
And next,
That's good. Yeah, right over there. Great.
next we're gonna.
Only thing we don't want to do always is make sure that we don't have any fire close to a feather or anything like that. So we'll look before we eat too and make sure, okay?
Next we have these little butter pans, and this one's shaped as a teacup, but they also have ones just normal plates.
Okay.
And we're just gonna put those at the right side of the table.
Right in front of the butter knife. These I love because I picked them up in a flea market. We were fortunate enough to get to go to Berlin, and when we were in Berlin, we went to the little outdoor flea market, and I totally love these. So these are ones that we're using. No, I don't think that one. Oz, let's look. Let's see which one, honey. That one. There you go. There you go. Perfect. And let's see. Oh, my heavens. You have to have our names.
We're gonna do these little, so this one just happens to be mine, but just these little things where you just take these note cards and you just slip them in.
And we want to make sure that we use our theme. It's a turkey.
And just put that on the opposite, near the fork, the other side of the butter.
And then everyone's going to know where they're going to sit. And actually, right now we're just doing it kind of randomly, but if we look where they are later and decide, like for instance, Bob, my husband, always sits down at that end. Lance will sit there, Liz will sit here, and Winnie and Ozzy and Darcy, and as I said, Zan, unfortunately, is for us, unfortunate for us, happy for her, is in California. She's 16 now, so she's quite mature and can do that type of thing all alone. Okay, the last two. These are the last ones. There you go. Oh, it's looking more and more festive. You two are just doing the most amazing job, and I'm quite excited about it. Love that. And then I think the last thing, Winnie and Ozzy, are no, one of them is a turkey and one of them is a pheasant. So we're doing turkeys and pheasants, and
Just the theme.
it's going to be fun because we're all going to have a crown on at some point during the meal. And the plates, I have these beautiful pheasants on these, and some of them are pheasants and some of them are turkeys, and so that's what we're doing, a combination. We're going to have pumpkin soup that we're going to show you how to make, and it's going to be in the soup. Oh yeah, that's right, there's a duck there, isn't there? Strange. Oh well. Okay, we got it. I think we've got it. How do you like it? Do you love this? Beautiful, beautiful. I'm more than excited. We're going to have turkey and mashed potatoes and sweet potatoes, and we're going to have corn pudding, and we're going to have 4 different pies. They're going to be pumpkin and apple, and what's your favorite?
Chocolate chess.
Chocolate chess, they love it. And I'm thinking this year I might, instead of doing that buttermilk custard one, I might do like a coconut cream. So tomorrow I'll be making all of my crust, and when I make the crust, since I'll make them at 1 day in advance, I'm going to take wet paper towels and put them over the crust so it'll keep moist. Otherwise your crust would dry out if you did that and didn't protect them. So that's what we're going to be doing, and we're going to be doing pumpkin soup in the kitchen. Oh wow, I hope you join us.